land of opportunities. Nothing is impossible. Freedom with no limits. And what could this country be? Holland, of course. Welcome to our beautiful country. Let's take you on a journey. Public transport in Holland is reliable, convenient, and of a high standard. 94% of all Dutch people speak more than one language, so don't worry, they will help you out anytime. Amsterdam, our capital city. Over 50 million people visit this place each year. Kind of busy, don't you think? Let's take you to a smaller city which relates to Amsterdam. Utrecht, our small but great city. Let's show you around, come on! There are many terraces and cafes where you can enjoy a nice drink with friends or maybe have some lunch. Many shops, which are perfectly reachable by foot, so you would definitely find a great outfit. The good life. Let's go to our university. Hogeschool Utrecht has over 38,000 students and offers about 70 different courses. The library, the cafeteria and the area in front of school are great places to do your homework or hang out with friends. Who has a cafe inside their university? Well, we do. Cheers! Utrecht has lots of pubs, bars and clubs, so come on guys, dance like nobody's watching.
Die Welt auf und bauen ein Palast aus Plänen und Träumen, jeden Tag neu. Bisschen Geld gegen Probleme, wir nehmen was wir wollen, wollen mehr sein als nur ein Moment, yeah. Komm mir nicht mit großen Namen, die du kennst, wir trinken auf Verlierer, lassen Pappbecher vergolden. Feiern hart, fallen weich auf die lila Wolken. Wir bleiben wach, bis die Wolken wieder